And you know the exam pattern, friends. The exam pattern will be, mode of examination will be online examination, that is CBT, computer based test. And the test consists of 160 questions, friends. Of course, you know it. Maths 80 marks, physics 40 and chemistry 40, and each question carries 1 mark. And friends, there is no penalty for wrong answers. No negative marking. No negative marking. And the examination is 3 hours duration. And after login, you can choose any paper. You can choose any paper, either maths or physics or chemistry, at random. And after answering that particular question, you press save and next. Then that question will be saved and you will be taken to the next question. Only one question will appear on the screen at one time. After answering that question, you will be taken to the next question, friends. Okay, those things before exam, we would like to have a demo or the process of answering the questions and all those things. Okay, friends. And one more thing also I would like to add, friends. The minimum qualifying marks. The minimum qualifying marks in the EAMCET is 25% of the total 160 marks, friends. That is 25% of 160 means it is 40 marks. 40 marks is the minimum qualifying marks to get qualified in the EAMCET. And friends, for SC and ST category, there is no minimum qualifying marks, friends. So this is how the exam pattern will be. And as you know, the exam date is also announced recently. The exam will be held from 27th July to 31st July. In a span of 5 days, the entire examination process will be completed. So I request all of you to apply for EAMCET and prepare well and take the use of our videos and attempt the exam well. Okay, friends. And in this context, shall I take the opportunity to tell before you the merits of our DBS Engineering College. See, after completion of your EAMCET, the next point is where to join. In which college I have to join. That is your next question before. So for that question, the answer is simple, friends. See, I suggest you and I invite you to join in DBS Engineering College. See, I would like to share with you the merits of our DBS Engineering College. Friends, our college, as you know, is located in a very spacious and lovely environment, and highly qualified and experienced faculty members with all commitment are working in our college, and other facilities like lab facilities and library facilities are extensive. You can make the best use of those facilities, and good hostel facilities also there. You can enjoy the food. And our college buses run all over the district, so that advantage is there. And moreover, beyond all these things, friends, one thing is very distinct, friends. The environment in our college, you will feel such a lovely environment, such a friendly environment in our college. Unlike so many other colleges, you feel a friendly environment in our college, and all our faculty members, all our HODs, and our management, and our principal sir, and everyone is after you, friends. Everyone is always prepared to take care of you, to take care of for your improvement in all in every aspect. In every aspect, they will be in support of the students, in support of you. So you will enjoy. You can enjoy freedom and parallel with discipline, not at the cost of discipline, friends. And many more things are there, friends. You will see, because after all, you are going to stay in our college for 4 years. So you will have that congenial atmosphere and a lovely environment in our college. So I request you, moreover, one more thing also, friends. And our college takes very minimum number of admissions. Only 360 admissions we take. This is very important point, friends, because see, the admissions we take only is restricted to only 360, so that we can concentrate more on every student. We can concentrate more on every student. So that thing we have to remember, friends. Whether the student is coming to college or not, whether the student is following tests or other things. So everything we can keep a visual, on your movements. It is in your own interest only, friends. So that is a brief description of our college, friends, and our secretaries sir and our principals sir and all our HODs are committed to your care, and to address your problems as and when, if any. And friends, this is something I want to share with you. So regarding the merits of our college, this is one side of the coin, friends, and the other side of the coin, friends, our placement cell. Every year we got hundreds of placements, though not hundred, tens of placements are going on. And after academic, our next care is placement. We see that every student is placed in some other company, one company or other. So placement cell is strengthened. See, friends, here the coaching what we are offering in CRT classes in our college, what is going on in our college regarding the placement activities, I am telling, friends. Regarding placement activities, we are giving coaching to all students, friends. All students, we are giving coaching throughout 4 years, like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, we have categorized, and we are giving coaching to all the students through all the 4 years, so that after completion of their BTech degree, they will be fully equipped with all types of knowledge, quantitative skills, reasoning skills, English communication skills, and whatever skills that are required, whatever skills that are required for various competitive examinations, all those skills will be equipped in the student, so that after completion of his BTech, he will be in a position. He will come to a position where he can face any competitive exam without any fear, with utmost confidence. So, and more, not only for the CRT, not the placement training, which we are going to offer in our college, which we are offering at present in our college, is not only exclusive, not only meant for this software jobs, but also for all other competitive examinations like bank coaching and railway jobs and postal department jobs or any state and central government jobs. So in such a way, we are planning our coaching activities, training activities, so that the training what we offer in our college should be useful, must be useful to face any competitive exam. See, somebody may be willing to go for engineering job, somebody may be willing to go for police job, somebody may be willing to go for a bank job. So to meet the requirements of various categories of students, we are giving training to all the students, so that the training, we are planning the training in such a way the training is useful to face any competitive exam. So this is a very important point, friends, important point. So if you join in our college, rest assured, friends, you will get definitely going to get a job either engineering side or any other government, state or central government sector side, friends. So our management is taking that care. Our management is very particular in that area, because you see, if a student joins in our college with a greater confidence in us, so we have to justify his confidence. He has joined in our college means with some confidence he joins in our college. So we have to justify his confidence, because we have to. So how we justify? By giving proper training. See, you will be with us for 4 years. So these 4 years will give you extensive training, friends, to all students, not only for a selected students. We give coaching for all students, so that after completion of your BTech, you need not go to Hyderabad or some other places for coaching and involving a large amounts of money and waste of time. So we complete all those training activities in these 4 years only, friends.